Don't trust anyone, especially those in power. The people running Squid Game are rich and powerful, and they use the players' desperation against them. The recruiter played by Gyan why tricked the players into thinking they had a chance at a better life, but it was all a cruel game. This teaches us to be carefully about who we trust, especially when someone seems to have all that. Money does not equal happiness, and the biggest example of this is our leading man Sing Ji Hoon, who, despite become ultra rich after winning the games in season 1, did not have a single moment of peace and happiness. On the other hand, when he had no money and was neck deep in, he was happier. Teamwork makes the dream work. While some players try to win alone, others realize that working together could increase their chance of survival. In the marbles game, for example, some players formed alliance and helped each other, while others were left to fend for themselves. This shows us that cooperation can be a powerful tool, but it also highlights the importance of survival initiates can overpower morality. In Squid Game, we see how people can change when their lives are on the line. Even kind people might do trivial things to survive. This shows us that human behavior can be complex and unpredictable, especially when faced with extreme pressure. For example, when the pressure rose during the Mingle game, we saw young Sikh betray his own mother. Greed is dangerous. In Squid Game Season 2, we see the majority of players wanting to continue the games despite knowing very well that they can get killed. However, the greed for massive prize money harmed their judgment, leading them to make foolish decisions. Thus, it is imperative to not get swayed away and think straight. The people claim thinking the games require players to think quickly and strategically. Those who rushed into things often made mistakes and lost. This teaches us the importance of careful planning and critical thinking. Before making a decision, it's important to consider all the possible outcomes and choose the best course of action. Thank you for watching this video. If you see more videos, subscribe our channel and don't forget to comment.